I've spent my life around cars, from the earliest steam engines that chugged along dusty roads to the sleek modern machines we see today. Cars have always been more than just transportation. They're a symbol of freedom, innovation, and the spirit of adventure. Now, we're witnessing a revolution with the latest electric vehicles, which are changing the way we think about driving and the future of mobility. Today, we're standing at one of the biggest crossroads in automotive history. Do we stick with gasoline or embrace electric? This decision isn't just about picking a car, it's about choosing a direction for the next chapter of our lives. It's not just about horsepower or gadgets, it's about your lifestyle, your values, and how you want to experience the open road. The choice you make says something about who you are and what matters to you. For over a century, gasoline cars have been the backbone of personal transportation. They've powered road trips, daily commutes, and countless memories for generations. There's a certain nostalgia in pulling up to a gas station, hearing that familiar engine rumble to life, and feeling the power under your foot as you hit the highway. But now, electric cars are gliding onto the scene, almost silently, offering a glimpse into a cleaner, more technologically advanced future. They promise not just efficiency, but a whole new way to connect with the road. The debate is heating up. Tradition versus innovation. Nostalgia versus progress. Each side has passionate supporters, and the arguments go far beyond just price tags or performance stats. Gas cars offer comfort, familiarity, and a sense of reliability. Refueling is quick, the technology is time-tested, and there's a certain charm in the sound and feel of a classic engine. Electric cars, on the other hand, deliver instant torque, cutting-edge features, and zero tailpipe emissions. They're quiet, smooth, and packed with smart technology that's redefining what a car can be. With so many factors to consider, choosing between them can feel overwhelming. It's not just a purchase, it's a commitment to a new way of driving. Maybe you're a road trip enthusiast who values the convenience of fast refueling and the ability to drive long distances without planning every stop. Or perhaps you're a daily commuter who loves the idea of waking up to a fully charged car, ready to go, and never having to visit a gas station again. In this video, we'll break down the technology, the real-world costs, the driving experience, and the practical realities of both options. We'll look at maintenance, charging infrastructure, fuel costs, and even the environmental impact. By the end, you'll have a clear sense of which path fits your lifestyle, your budget, and your values best. The future of driving is unfolding right before our eyes, and the decision you make today could shape your journey for years to come. So let's dive in, explore the possibilities, and discover what each side of this new fork in the road has to offer. Your next car isn't just a vehicle, it could change everything about how you drive, travel, and experience the world around you. Electric cars aren't perfect. Range anxiety is real. Most commutes are easily covered, but the fear of running out of charge lingers. Charging infrastructure is growing, but it's not as widespread or fast as gas stations yet. Public chargers can be busy or slow, and charging still takes longer than filling a tank. Apartment dwellers face extra challenges without home charging. Batteries degrade over time, though warranties help ease concerns. Mining for battery materials raises environmental and ethical questions. The good news? Ranges are increasing, charging networks are expanding, and battery tech is improving fast. Every year, EVs get better and more practical. The hurdles are real, but progress is rapid. The best car is the one that fits your life. If you're a city commuter with home charging, an EV could be perfect, quiet, cheap to run, and easy to charge overnight. For long-distance drivers or those without charging access, gas cars still make sense. Need a heavy-duty truck or maximum flexibility? Gas is still king. Test drive both. Feel the difference for yourself. Pay attention to what excites you. The silence of an EV or the growl of a gas engine. Your choice should put a smile on your face every time you drive. The auto industry is racing toward an electric future. Every major brand is investing in EVs. Governments are setting deadlines to phase out new gas cars, but for now, both technologies offer real advantages. Gas cars are refined, reliable, and convenient. Heroes of the open road. Electric cars are clean, quiet, and packed with innovation. The pace of change is astonishing, with each new EV pushing boundaries. Your decision depends on your needs, budget, and what you value most. There's never been a better time to be a car buyer. Whether you stick with gas or go electric, you're shaping your own driving future. Drive safe, enjoy the ride, and choose the car that fits your life. When it comes to technology, EVs are leading the charge. Most have giant touchscreens controlling everything: radio, navigation, climate, even driving modes. Over-the-air updates mean your car can get new features overnight, just like your phone. You can control your EV from your smartphone, preheat the cabin, check the battery, even honk the horn remotely. Gas cars have tech too: touchscreens, driver assist features, smartphone integration, but it often feels added on. EVs are digital machines at their core, built for upgrades and seamless integration. Gas cars are mechanical first, with tech layered on top. For gadget lovers, the tech-forward nature of EVs is a major draw. Your car can actually get better with age. That's the future: software on wheels. EVs are amazing, but range anxiety is real. Most new EVs go 250–300 miles on a charge, plenty for daily driving, but long trips require planning. Charging infrastructure is growing, but it's not as fast or widespread as gas stations yet. Fast chargers can get you to 80% in 20 to 40 minutes, but that's still longer than a gas fill-up. You'll need to plan for longer stops on road trips. Battery degradation is another factor. Over time, batteries lose some capacity, though warranties are long and improvements are constant. The good news? Technology is improving fast. Every year, EVs get longer range, better batteries, and more charging stations. These hurdles are shrinking, but they're still part of the EV experience today. For now, owning an EV means thinking ahead a bit more, but the gap is closing quickly. So, what's the verdict? There's no single best car, just the best car for you. If you drive mostly local and can charge at home, an EV could be perfect: quiet, cheap to run, and always ready. If you need to drive long, unpredictable routes or can't charge at home, a gas car might still be the practical choice. Love spontaneous road trips or need to tow heavy loads? Gas still has the edge. Weigh the pros and cons: long-term savings and clean driving, or ultimate convenience and flexibility. Think about the experience you want: silent surge or mechanical rumble. The good news? There are more choices than ever. Pick the one that fits your life. No matter your choice, this is the biggest shift in driving in a century. Electric and gas cars are pushing each other to be better, more efficient, cleaner, and more exciting. For now, the roads will be shared by both, each serving different needs. As batteries improve and charging stations multiply, the balance will shift toward electric. But today, we get the best of both worlds. Your next car is more than just transportation. It's a statement about your lifestyle and your vision for the future. Whether you choose the familiar roar of gas or the silent hum of electricity, it's an amazing time to be a driver. The cars of today are the safest, fastest, and most incredible machines we've ever had. Enjoy the ride. The future of the automobile is going to be one heck of a drive. See you on the road.